Kubor ka Bati Cctv. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Keterangan pulit kala pelong marmar ya kejing tokit hadiang kejing Lait Phet jeng sangut girunar bat uwe Koidi na Jowai district jail hak sipau terik unai luar arajar arpuar. Ki sangut girunar ki badan keti hak kejing penyap beriu bat ki badang dan hapadeng kejing sya tian bishar ki kentub yu I love you talang u Ramesh Dakhar u Marsan ki tariang u Shidor ki Dakhar bat u Lodester tang. Kadba u Koidi u bala Lait Phet lang hakani kejing ja u de u recommend lang lamare. U Director General of Police Kejala u Dr. L.R. Bishnoi hak jengkran begilat pathai kubur hak arfulai terik unai luar arjar arfuar ulai thu bayu Ramesh Dakhar ubala syak kembiang la Sech William Nagar District Jail. U DGP ulai thuru bah hak jing tokit jengki officer ketanat pulit hadian kini kejingja la syamba bun nag CCTV bala pendaj hak ni kepatok kidai ki bam Treikam Satya. Bat ongru bah ketanat pulit kala Pynkhlaiñ bahaya kejing Pahara jongki pulit hadian kejing Lait Phet jongki ni ki hinrengut.
I agree with you that in the Jowai, West Jaintia Hill districts, the Jowai, I think in the first case, the one UTP was escaped and that was captured again, and now he has been transferred to the William Nagar jail. And in second case, the 6 accused escaped. Out of that, unfortunately, 4 were lynched by the public and 2 were rearrested. So to overcome this, I have sent a team of senior officers to inspect the jail, and during their inspection they found that most of the CCTVs were non-functional, and we have strengthened the security deployment and so that the more points can be covered day and night, and we have suggested the jail authority the installation of certain lights at certain crucial points, and we have also noticed that connivance of the jail staffs in second case, and accordingly immediately the district police they found some evidence and the 4 persons were arrested from the jails and they were forwarded into judicial custody. The case is under investigation. I have requested IG Prisons to inspect all the jails and what to be required to strengthen the jail security. So he will submit the report and after that we will sit together and decide. In lynching case, the Suomoto case was taken against the unknown. Now all were rearrested. Yes, total 7 escapes were there from the Jowai. First 1 in one case and the 6 in second case. 4 lynched by public and rest all 3 rearrested.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.